subscribe.
All right, everybody, how you doing? Got a mystery unboxing video for you today. Pretty interesting stuff. This was sent in from a subscriber and super chatter and just overall fan of the channel and loves what we're doing over here. And he sent in a box of things. I don't know what's in here. He didn't tell me. I have no idea what I'm about to open myself into. There was personal information on here. All I did was rip it off before the video and cut open the box. Have not opened it. I do not know what to expect, but we will see. Okay, so first off, there is a note. All right, let's read what he wrote. Greetings from the USA. Please find enclosed the 3 promised Zippo lighters for you to do with what you will. I look forward to seeing what you do with them. Keep up the great work. Love your channel. Best, James. Super nice note. Thank you very much, James. Like I said, this is from James WilderHancock. There is no WilderHancock. That's why his name is that. He sent these in. He just sent them in and he just wanted me to keep them and everything like that. But me and him were talking on a live stream that we had the other night. And I'm going to do him up a Vietnam Zippo. I'm going to do him up like an homage Vietnam Zippo. I'm going to put like a famous Vietnam Zippo that you can Google and see the pictures of. I'm going to put that image on a Zippo for him, send it back to him. It's just like an homage to the cool Vietnam Zippos. Something I'm going to start doing and getting rid of. There's just so many cool Vietnam designs and I just absolutely love it. And I'm going to recreate those designs and put them on Zippos. They're going to look really cool. So anyways, back to this. Let's start opening these things and see what he gave. Or, it looks like there's something at the bottom of this box, actually. Let's take these out. Let's take these out in order. Okay. I just want to make sure there's nothing. Okay, absolutely nothing. Okay. Alright, so what's this? Oh, man. Our Century, a Zippo Keychain. Oh, look, it's sealed in the package. Sealed in the package, Zippo Keychain. Look at that. That is so cool. Huh. And, oh, look at these. Limp Wick sent me these before. This is a package of 3, it looks like. These are for Zippos. They go in your display Zippo. Oh, man. Oh, that's so cool. That's a great... I'm going to move the box. That's a great way to start the video. Cool little things like that, man. Like, I don't have any things like that, so that's cool to have. It's just cool additions. Maybe even give one of these away, actually, in a live stream. Just to show. Okay, let's open this big thing here. I don't know what it is. Oh, man. Okay, so we had a bit of a malfunction there. I was ripping tape. Knocked my whole thing down, so let's open this. Oh, look at this. Wow. That's a different bottle. Never seen one of those before. Wow. So cool. Collectible bottle, man. Oof. I never seen one of those, man. What a cool thing to get. Man, that is sick. I like that. That is pretty cool and a pretty cool thing to send someone, man. Like, I've never seen a bottle like that. Someone will, in the chat, will obviously know what this is. And they will tell me all about it, I'm sure. I can't wait to read those comments. So, here's another Zippo. Okay, what is that? Satin Chrome. Satin Chrome. G 2005. Virtually a brand new insert in there. Man, this thing has like never been used. Look how clean it is on the inside of that lid. This is a brand new Zippo. Wow, that's crazy. Holy crap, man. That's brand new. I'm going to do some cool things with that. We'll figure out which one of these he wants to use for him. He'll let me know in the comments, I'm sure, which one he wants me to do the custom one for. What else did we get? matching satin chrome. Same here and everything. A little more used, virtually brand new still too though. Wow, good condition. So two perfect mint condition satin chromes. And then we got one more here. Okay, this is cool. This comes in a 90s box. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm keeping that. Every 90s box that comes in around here gets swooped up by me. That will not be going anywhere. And let's see what we got here. Old barcode. It does say something on there. Zippo emblem. Something gold. I can see it on there. What does that say? Oh, sorry guys, you couldn't see that. See, it says on there something gold. Zippo emblem. I'm just making a note. Model number 25. What does that say? Model number 25. What was that? G6 23. Oh, GZF. I think that says. Model number 25. Or 25 DGZF. Huh. So it basically ends in Zippo for that. $13.95 brushed chrome. Okay, let's see. Let's see what year it is. August 03. Huh. August 03. Let's see what condition the insert's in. Oh, the insert's brand new. Wow, the Zippo's basically brand new. So he sent me basically 3 brand new lighters to do custom works on. Part of the deal was he wanted me to do one to do as a giveaway. I have a pretty special. I have already an idea in mind of what I'm going to do for the giveaway, what design I'm going to do on here. It's going to be pretty funny. It's going to be pretty good. And someone's going to win it. So if everyone can show James WilderHancock some love in the comments for sending me this stuff. And one of you guys is going to be winning one of these Zippos that I customize. You'll see as time progresses. I'm going to show it off and we'll do a live stream draw for it. But yeah, man, thanks for sending this stuff. It's all cool things I did not have, and I get to keep a Zippo for myself. I get to give one away, and I get to send one back to you, custom Vietnam Zippo. So this is going to be really interesting. I'm going to make some really cool videos with it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for sticking around. I have another unboxing video too from a friend Ryan out in BC who sent me some really cool things. You guys are going to like what he sent me. Check it out.